The last episode, it didn't gonna happen. But this episode we will. Because we got severe thunderstorm warnings has been issued. And it's coming right towards us. Oh, it's worry right now. There it goes, done. Now the weather report right here didn't make sense. But no weatherbug dude. Moving to... Oh, that's a bad one. We got a bad one coming at us. And that one's gonna be... I don't know this one. I think that's gonna be this. That one right here is gonna be more for us. That's gonna be straight at us. Here's look. That's pushing up. Here's another one. That's gonna be east of us. Oh yes, we got an episode. I just got inside playing basketball. Okay. Well, oh yes. That's the way on. And bad news, severe thunderstorms too. Oh, man, my arm hurts. There. Whoa, gotta get this straight. Always put standing with the tail facing the computer. There you go. Okay. Now, if my if my calculations are correct, there's gonna be some tornadoes over here. Why didn't it, dude? Coming right towards us. That's the one pushing up. It's gonna turn. That's gonna add us. That's be not positive gonna hit us. There are 12 watches, half an inch and then a more. 4-1 is worse than 12 watch. That cover all that stuff up. And I'm gonna tell you something. Oh shit, hold on. Well, okay. Alright, the weatherbug got warned us. Alright, the weatherbug warned us. They're saying it's supposed to be... Okay, they're saying it's supposed to be bad weather. It's gonna be a... Alright, what? I don't know why the weather go off. Okay, we're under a tornado watch right now. Repeat, tornado watch has been issued. We got a tornado watch right now for this area. Oh, now we got another episode gonna post to YouTube. This is gonna be great.